What's happening, guys? Today we'll be starting part 3 of the Celica series on the D.I.Y project. Today I'm going to be using 2 types of hacksaw blades. I don't know if you can see them very well. One goes to a sawzall, and this one is just a regular hacksaw. And what I'll be doing is going on the inside of the front bumper, where I'll be putting Lord Fuser, and I'll be going down in a stroke like so. So if you're using Lord Fuser, bondo, not recommended to use bondo, but it still works. That's just what you want to do to get it all good and together. So that's what I'll be doing today. And of course, before we get into this video, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video, because this is probably a project that a lot of Celica owners are really trying to do but don't know how to do. So I'm just doing the favor: like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.
Go for it.
Alright, so I'm going to be unscrewing all the screws to see if the foam that we put here in the last video stays and does what we need it to do. And then when I get done taking the screws off and checking everything, I'm going to be using the hacksaw blade to cut grooves for the Lord Fuser. So now I took all the screws out. It looks like it's holding pretty well. It kept the same shape, and now we're going to it works. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's kind of scary.
Lift it up again. Shake it. Shake. Alright, did it rip? Outside.
Oh. No.
Alright, so you're good. Yeah, big feet. Alright, so I told him 2 inches both way, but he went 1. I'm gonna use a grinder and eat this down, because there's I don't know if you guys can see in the video right here. It's like a bevel or a rise, whatever. I'm gonna cut that down with the grinder on both sides, and also I'm gonna go ahead and use the hacksaw blade scuff up here on both sides. So before we do this with the Lord Fuser, we have to bond these. Alright, we stuffed it with a razor, thinner, cleaned it up, drilled the holes, roots already, washers, and we're gonna get to it.